Safari wildlife. There are many safaris in Africa, and each offers something different. We will also be sharing the types of animals you can expect to see on your safari. Before we begin with the main content of the video, do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, stick around until the end of the video because we have a free ebook for you guys. Let's get started. Africa is home to thousands of animal species, including more than half of the world's mammal population. Of course, this makes it one of the top destinations for tourists looking to experience an authentic African safari. The continent has several parks and reserves where people can visit and see these amazing creatures up close. First, we need to talk about the main locations. There are mainly two regions in Africa that offer game viewing experiences. These are East Africa and Southern Africa. East Africa includes countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, while South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, and Zimbabwe are part of Southern Africa. Each location has its own set of animals and attractions. For example, while South Africa is known for the high concentration of the Big Five, East Africa is known for its Great Migration. However, there is one place which comes close to both the number of Big Five sightings and the Great Migration, and that is the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. The reason why the Serengeti is special is that it hosts the Great Migration. Every year, millions of wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles migrate from the Serengeti Plains to the southern part of Kenya in search of food. This migration is considered the largest in the world and is truly a sight to behold. It is estimated that around 1.5 million white and blue wildebeest, 400,000 zebra, and 70,000 gazelle take part in this annual migration. But that's not all. The Serengeti also boasts the presence of the Big Five animals. In total, there are about 3,000 to 5,000 lions, 600 leopards, 3,500 elephants, 180 rhinos, and 600 buffaloes. When talking about the best time to go on a safari in the Serengeti National Park, there isn't really a single best season, as every period has its own unique charm. The dry season, which lasts from June to October, provides excellent game viewing opportunities as animals congregate around water sources. On the other hand, the wet season, which lasts from November to May, offers the chance to witness the Great Migration and newborn animals, but it also comes with muddy roads and fewer sightings. When it comes to where to stay in the Serengeti, there are several options available. Inside the park, you can choose from a variety of luxury tented camps and lodges that offer comfortable accommodation and stunning views. Alternatively, you can stay in the nearby towns of Arusha or Moshi, which have a range of hotels and guest houses. If you want to visit the Serengeti National Park, you have to plan your trip around the Great Migration. This means that the best time to go is during the months of July and August, when the herds are at their most vulnerable point and predators are most active. Now, let's talk about the types of animals you can expect to see on a safari. In terms of mammals, Africa is home to a wide variety of species, including iconic animals such as elephants, lions, giraffes, and zebras. The continent is also home to several primate species, including chimpanzees, gorillas, and baboons. Birds are another highlight of African wildlife, with over 2,000 species found across the continent. Some of the most popular bird species include the African fish eagle, the martial eagle, and the lilac-breasted roller. Reptiles are also well represented in Africa, with species such as crocodiles, cobras, and adders. Lastly, amphibians are not commonly sighted on safari, but some of the notable species include the African bullfrog and the Goliath frog. And now, let's dive into the Big Five animals that can be found in Africa. The Big Five refers to the 5 animals that were historically considered the most difficult to hunt on foot in Africa. These are elephant, rhino, lion, leopard, and Cape buffalo. Let's start with the elephant. African elephants are the largest living land mammals and can be found in a variety of habitats across the continent. They are herbivores and play a crucial role in shaping the environment by creating clearings in forests and grasslands. Next, we have the rhino. There are two species of rhino found in Africa, the white rhino and the black rhino. Both species are endangered, with the white rhino being more numerous than the black rhino. Rhinos are herbivores and can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas and forests. Moving on to the lion. They are the second largest cat species in the world after the tiger and are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Lions are carnivores and live in groups called prides. They are known for their distinctive roar, which can be heard up to 5 miles away. Next, we have the leopard. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats across Africa. They are solitary and nocturnal hunters, preying on a wide range of animals, including antelopes, monkeys, and birds. Leopards are known for their incredible agility and ability to climb trees. Last but not least, the Cape buffalo. Cape buffaloes are medium-sized bovine found in sub-Saharan Africa. They are herbivores and live in herds. Cape buffaloes are known for their aggressive behavior and are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Overall, these 5 animals represent just a small fraction of the incredible wildlife that can be found in Africa. Whether you are interested in mammals, birds, reptiles, or amphibians, there is no shortage of amazing creatures to discover on an African safari. As we mentioned earlier, each location has its own unique charm and wildlife. While East Africa is known for the Great Migration, Southern Africa is home to a higher concentration of Big 5 animals. South Africa, in particular, is one of the best destinations for seeing the Big 5. Kruger National Park is one of the most popular destinations for tourists looking to see the Big 5 animals. The park covers an area of over 2 million hectares and is home to a large population of the Big 5 animals. In fact, Kruger National Park has the highest density of lions in South Africa, with approximately 4,000 individuals living within its borders. It also has a significant population of elephants, with an estimated 11,000 to 12,000 residing in the park. Another famous destination for seeing the Big 5 animals is the Sabi Sand Game Reserve. The reserve covers an area of over 40,000 hectares and is located near T.R. Kruger National Park. One of the main attractions in the Sabi Sand Game Reserve is the high concentration of leopards. Leopards are notoriously difficult to spot, but the reserve has a large population of them, making it one of the best places in Africa to see these elusive cats. Lastly, Botswana's Moremi Game Reserve is another prime location for spotting the Big 5 animals. The reserve covers an area of over 16,000 square kilometers and is located in the Okavango Delta. Moremi Game Reserve is home to a variety of habitats, including grasslands, woodlands, and swamps, which support a large population of wildlife. One of the main attractions in Moremi Game Reserve is the large herds of elephants. The reserve is considered one of the best places in Africa to see elephants in their natural habitat. Now let's talk about the climate of its locations. Africa is a vast continent with a diverse range of climates. The climate of a particular location in Africa can vary depending on its geographic location and altitude. For example, the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania experiences a tropical climate with 2 distinct seasons: the dry season and the wet season. The dry season lasts from June to October and is characterized by lower rainfall and higher temperatures. The wet season, on the other hand, lasts from November to May and is marked by higher rainfall and lower temperatures. Similarly, South Africa's Kruger National Park has a subtropical climate with hot summers and mild winters. The park receives an average of 400 to 500 millimeters of rain per year, which is mainly concentrated in the summer months. Finally, Botswana's Moremi Game Reserve has a tropical savanna climate with warm temperatures and moderate rainfall. The country receives an average of 600 to 800 millimeters of rain per year, with most of the rainfall occurring in the summer months. It is important to note that these are just general descriptions, and the specific climate of a location may vary. For example, the climate of the Serengeti National Park can vary depending on altitude. The higher elevations in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area receive more rainfall and have cooler temperatures compared to the lower-lying areas. In conclusion, Africa is home to a wide variety of animals, including the iconic Big Five animals. Whether you are interested in seeing the Great Migration or the Big Five animals, there is no shortage of amazing creatures to discover on an African safari. Each location has its own unique charm and wildlife, so it's worth exploring different destinations to experience the best of what Africa has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.